To set up a Venmo Kids account, start by understanding what Venmo is and how it works. Venmo is a digital wallet that allows users to send and receive money. And a Venmo Kids account is a great way to teach your child about responsible money management. First, you will need to download the Venmo app and create an account for yourself if you don't already have one. Once you have an account, you can set up a Venmo Kids account for your child who is between 13 and 17 years old. To set up the account, go to the Venmo app and navigate to the Settings menu. From there, select the option to add a child account and follow the prompts to enter your child's name and date of birth. You will also need to create a username and password for your child. Next, you will need to link a funding source to the account, such as a bank account or debit card. This will allow you to transfer money to your child's account, which they can then use to make purchases or send money to their friends. It is also important to set boundaries and limits on the account, such as limiting the amount of money that can be spent or setting restrictions on who your child can send money to. You can do this by navigating to the Parent Settings menu and selecting the options that work best for you and your child. As a parent, you will have control over the account and be able to monitor your child's activity, including their spending and transactions. You will also be able to freeze the account if you need to, which can be a useful feature if you are concerned about your child's spending habits. In addition to teaching your child about money management, a Venmo Kids account can also be a convenient way for them to receive money from you or other family members, such as for allowance or birthday gifts.